Hello. So yesterday, I went to Goodwill. Yesterday, I went to Five Below. And Five Below, I don't even want to get into it. Five Below is such a good store. It's my favorite store. Anyway, I just went there just to like look around. Ended up getting this shirt because it reminds me of Ariana Grande, because NASA, you know. And I also got a tripod so I can start being a professional vlogger. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Okay, what? Oh my god. I should like probably read the directions, but how would I do that? Maybe I need to read the directions. Oh no. So I'm already confused. Maybe you just like, well, that just can't be it. Oh, but like, what is this? I don't know. I just don't understand. But let's try it out. So there it is. But like, the problem is this. I just don't get how to make it stand. Don't look at my room, actually. Look at the legs. Shit's bendy as fuck, so now I could like push you guys up like this. Oh, not a good example. Put you guys up like this and film. Good purchase. So also from Five Below, I got this brush. Then I also got, for those of you who are cultured, I got this game. It's called Phase 10. So Sean's on the way and we are going to hang out before we have to go to work tonight. Yay. Whatever. I'll catch you guys later. So Sean is here and I'm about to get his reaction on my new tripod. Let's see how he reacts. Look what I bought.
It's nice.
I know.
You want me to scream Creamy Supreme?
Sure. Oh, my mom's working so relaxed. Hey guys, this is my boyfriend Sean. You get me so awkward. Today we're gonna be making this funfetti stuff. So what you need for this recipe, which they didn't specify, so I had to figure this all out on my own, and you best believe I already had my meltdown. You need vegetable oil, 3 eggs, this thing.
And Creamy Supreme.
Oh my god. That. Sprinkles if you want to be quirky and fun and fresh.
I need cake mix.
A bowl to mix all of this in, this thing, and a pan. And you also need an oven. That oven at 350, I already did that because I'm so prepared. Coat bottom of pan with no stick cooking spray. Seriously? He knows I hate when people crack their fucking knuckles, and then he still proceeds to do it.
Not butter.
It's not butter. Are you? It's canola spray. Also, the only one who's gonna be eating this is me because Shauna is lactose
impaired.
After you coat it, put all these things in a pan, a bowl or whatever, and beat it. Oh, the cake. Ooh. Shit. One cup of water, 1/2 cup of oil. I can open it. Thanks. Oh. Who is that? Now we're gonna mix it. We're gonna beat that hoe. Oh my god. Okay, so we just beat that shit, and now we have to pour it into the pan. Ooh. Oh, yeah. So now it says to put it in the oven. Put it in. So now, 30 minutes. So we'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Now we have to clean up, and that's the worst part. And this is why I never cook. Let's hope it turns out good. Hey guys, so the cake is done. That's what it looks like. We need to frost it. And while we're waiting for it to cool off, I made me some SpaghettiOs.
That's Chef Boyardee.
Can you fuck off?
It's the whole alphabet, not just the O's.
since it apparently matters.
And 1, 2, 3s.
Oh my god. Okay guys, so now we're gonna frost it because it's all done cooling. Ready?
Shh. And that's cool.
Why is yours look cuter than mine?
Some cuter.
True. Are you serious?
Hey, I can't eat that. Don't put it on me. My skin will absorb it. Come here, you dummy.
Okay, so since Sean doesn't know how to act, I'm gonna be doing the rest by myself.
No, you're not.
No.
See, you don't know how to act right.
No. Don't touch the top. It looks too cute. Now for sprinkles. Time for the big reveal. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Oh my god.
Ruby, tell us what you think. So that is the finished look. Before. Mommy, come look what we made.
I have to go.
Oh. Isn't it cute?
What is it?
What is it? It's a freaking cake. Okay guys, so a little recap about making that. I would say that, oh wait, we need to try. Taste test. Taste test. Pretty good.
2 stars.
I would say 8 out of 10. All right, so recap time. We started at like 2 or 3 o'clock now. I would say making this is not worth an hour of cooking, setting up, getting all the ingredients, waiting for it to cool, cleaning up. That's why I don't cook. What would you say?
It's not that bad.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna go watch TV before work because we on that grind. No. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.